Hello geocachers, treasure hunters and thrill seekers. I'm in Perth in Scotland with oldest friend and we're going to do a little bit of geocaching. He's really excited.
I am absolutely busting with excitement. I can't wait. Where are we going geocaching, Carl?
That's a very good question. Right, I've got one that in mind that's just across the bridge, about 400 metres away. But let's have a look around first. Over the bridge, yeah. So this is the River Tay. We're just going over now. It's moving at a right pace. Looks nice up there, doesn't it? Let's bob across to the other side. Ooh, that would be fun. In the boat, look at that. Yeah. Nice down there as well. Some proper edges and swells in that bit. Right, according to the map, about 170 metres away. Okay, turning right here. Okay, we're about 18 metres away. Just have to head down these steps here, I think. I think it's in that little area over there, roughly centre screen. Don't think that's it. Reassuring, isn't it? Looks like it might be in this area somewhere.
Oh, it might be. No.
Oldest friend called it.
It is in this area. I did say it was up here and Carl says no, it's not. Yes, it is, Carl. Who's the one who does geocaching? Carl. Who found it? Me. Who doesn't like geocaching? Me.
We haven't found it yet.
I found the spot.
Yeah, this is the spot. Found it. Found it. Oh no, that's a Starbucks cup. Found it. Found it. Found it.
I found it.
Signed it, logged it, popped it back. Thanks to oldest friend for helping out with that one. He just wants to take all the credit. To be fair, he did call it. Right, there's one about 200 odd metres away. Gonna go and have a look for that. Down by the river. Right, we're going back down here where I miscalled it before.
Yeah, whatever. What did you say?
About 170 metres away. That big sundial. About 30 metres away. Found it, found it, found it. Oldest friend might not like geocaching, but Nita does.
Yeah.
I'm using one of the Victorinox knives today with the pen inside. Handy tools of the trade. Signed it, logged it, popped it back. That one takes me to 200. So I've hit a little milestone there. Couldn't give a flying fig. Right, correct. I'm going to wrap this up there because me and oldest friend are going to try and get the words out. Get something to eat in
Perth, Australia.
Perth of Forth, yeah.
Western Australia.
And continue with our little van camping trip, which we're not actually van camping tonight because we're staying in a hut, a shed. Right. Thanks for watching. You take care. See you soon.
Bye.
Cheerio.
Love you. Smell a poo.